welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we'd love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Today is a very exciting day. We are flying from Melbourne Tullamarine Airport to Los Angeles, where we'll start a 10-day road trip before heading somewhere else equally exciting. Melbourne Airport is the largest international airport in Melbourne and is approximately 30 minutes away from the city. We're getting an Uber there, but there are a few other ways you can get to this airport, such as taxi, other ride shares, and Skybus, which is the cheapest option. A one-way ticket on a Skybus is $22 Australian and $4 for a child. Unfortunately, there is still no train service to the airport. So we've just arrived at the airport and our flight is delayed. While we wait, there are a few places to grab a coffee. Now it's time to check in. Now we're ready to head to the departure area. After a quick passport check, we are in the duty-free area. Melbourne International Airport has tons of facilities available to keep you comfortable and busy before your flight. Besides duty-free, you'll also find foreign exchange places, ATMs, charging stations, all the major lounges, drinking water stations to fill up your bottle, restrooms throughout, and most importantly, tons of food options. The airport is really well signed, so you'll have no problem finding your departure gate. Okay, now it's time for us to head to our gate and get ready for our flight to LA. It looks like there are a few flights heading out at the same time too, so I really hope you won't be waiting long in the tarmac. We really hope this helped you plan and get ready for your next flight through Melbourne International Airport. If you enjoyed watching, please ensure to subscribe to keep up to date with all our travelling experiences. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.